What's up, guys? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? All right. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Um, what's going on, guys? Give me a second. I'm gonna do the overview with you guys. Give me a second. All right. All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Okay. All right. All right. So I'm just waiting, giving it one more minute for people to hop on. Um, let me see. Um, let me see here. Hmm. What's up, guys? Let me see. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, everyone? Morning, morning, morning. Trace, Kadriana. Okay, how'd you guys do? You guys trade this morning? How'd you guys do? Dynasty, what's up? Good morning. Bad, Kaylee? You did bad? What happened? When did you trade, Kaylee? Kaylee said, not the crying face. Not the crying face, Kaylee. Market was confusing today, Marlene. Okay. We're gonna watch. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. It wasn't that confusing. It wasn't easy today, but it wasn't that bad. I did send out the NAS signal for the buy. If anyone caught it, I did send that out. I don't know if anyone caught that. Juan, good morning. Kaylee entering the middle of the night with no stop loss. Kaylee. Say you can't do that. What are you doing? Okay, Marlene. Marlene said market was a little confusing today. We'll go over it. We'll review it. Mike said trade last night Asian. Didn't find the move this morning for my pair. You caught the sell on Nas Diamond. Good job. I caught the buy on it. I think we all know the feeling of trading overnight with no stop loss and losing. Come on, let's be serious. We all have done it. All right, we've all done it. All right, so don't feel you're the only one, Kaylee. We've all made the mistake. You took the NAS, Juan? Uh-huh. Right, exactly, Martin. Everyone's made it, guys. All right. I'm just trying to check the pulse of how everyone did past 24 hours. Everyone do good? Bad? Confusing? Been there. You took a sell on Euro? Who reviews the quizzes? I believe Max does, Kaylee. She reviews the quizzes. Good morning, Erica. Good morning. No, the session is not muted, D. Can you guys not hear me? I'm just not moving the chat the chart yet. I'm just reading the chat really quick. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hey, what's up, Erica? Okay. For your DM. Okay. Michael Munez. What's up, Breezy? Good morning. Let me see. Message me on Telegram because I can't see your name or any of your messages, Michael. So try messaging me. Joey, I know you guys are missing me, man. I know. I'm sorry. I know. What's up, Morning Wa? What question do you need, Lynn Fashion? Again, for those of you not signed up in the Trade Authority, make sure you get signed up ASAP. 60% off our mentorship. It's only $4.99 for 6 months. So make sure you sign up. Description or the link is in the description. Hurry up if you're not in. Anyway. All right. So okay, guys, this is what I was looking at. Let's go through this together. Let's go through this together. Okay. Because a lot of people got jammed up today, and I understand. It's okay. Right? Not every day is going to be an easy day in the market. Today was not an easy day. All right. Now, let's let me see here. So, okay. What's the first thing that you're supposed to be looking at when you look at the charts today? What's the first thing you guys should have looked at? Alicia said, I feel technical analysis on point, but I found my analysis take over and mess the trade. Alicia, we're gonna talk about that. That's a great observation. Technics, I find it better if I don't trade indices. I trade without motion when I stay away. Okay. All right. These are good comments, guys. I can go through all these things that you're going through. Cheryl said good. Lost UJ this morning, but caught US 30. Okay, Marlene playing news. Okay, look. Well, all right, exactly. The first thing you guys should be looking at is what? News. And if you look here, we had what? 4 red folders, right? On USD. All right. So you know around that time, things are going to move very, very quickly, very fast. And so you have to be very quick with your TPs, your stop losses, your trails. Like your management of your trade has to be immaculate. I even messed up my kind of management a little bit on NAS a little bit, but I still recovered, because I bought NAS, even though NAS is tanking because the dollar's popping up from 8:30. Again, let's look at in real time. This is what I was looking at, right? In real time, buying it, boom, pops up, literally 5 minutes, you're up over, 50 points. Okay, cool, right? So you could have taken your profits, got out, or hold it. Now, if you would have held it, then you would have been a little bit of drawdown, which is okay too. All right. And then the move still played out well, right? Boom, boom, boom. And then you're going back to basically TP again, right? So if you took my NAS buy today, you shouldn't have lost because it was even nowhere near TP or stop loss, right? There's no way you shouldn't have made like 40, 50, 60, 70 points off this move. Okay. Now, the reason why I had NAS going up is also what, guys, right? I had the dollar going down. I had the dollar going down today. I know there was conflicting evidence, and a lot of people thought it would go up, or a lot of you guys maybe thought it would go up today. I thought it was going to go down. So let me show you guys why I thought it was going to go down today. Okay. Let's again go to like that 8 o'clock. Here's 8 o'clock. Here's 8 o'clock on the 30-minute, 45-minute, 1 hour. Okay. Now, I drew this zone here. I'm going to delete kind of my other zones here because you guys shouldn't care about that. But this zone here, all right, I had the market continuing going down like this, right? This was like the second wave and then popping back up. And this is kind of the third wave down. This is what I had here. Okay. And the reason is because this level to me was very critical, right? This level here, right? I want you to look at all the price action over here. Okay. So this is on the 30-minute. This is on the 1 hour. Again, those intraday time frames I tell you guys to really look at, right? And what you want to do is what? What do you want to wait for if the market is hitting what you think to be a significant support resistance level? What do you have to wait for? What is it that I teach you to wait for? Put in the chat. What is it that you're going to wait for? Let me see the chat. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. No one's answering. No one's waiting. No one's answering. Let me see. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Right? The 3 R's, right? The retest, the retest, the rejection, right? And then you react, right? So when you go to more of an entry time frame, like the 15-minute, right? This is 8 o'clock. Boom. We have rejection here. It is now rejecting this level. Okay. This is like 8 o'clock. Okay. Boom. All right. Look. So if you look at it from a fundamental standpoint, right, from 8 o'clock to 9, the dollar makes that second move down really nice. Really nice. By 9:30, I was done a lot of trades, or everything was in profit. I'm holding, I'm trailing, right? And as you can see, NAS was up. So if the dollar, if you're expecting the dollar to go up or down, a lot of you guys struggle with UJ. Okay, what do you think's gonna happen with UJ? Is it gonna go down or up if the dollar is going to go down and drop? Is it gonna go down or up? Okay, if DXY is gonna drop, and again, this all comes to just understanding, right? If you know the news is at 8:30, you shouldn't be looking at the charts at 8:30. You can either look at the charts after news if you want to, right? Or you should be looking at news before news. Okay, a good half an hour to hour before. All right, so that is why you should have been looking at charts around 8 o'clock. Okay, I was looking at charts at 7:30, 7 o'clock. All right, because you had high news at 8:30. So I want to make sure I'm getting in before the news if there's a good move. Make sense? Okay, exactly. Down. So if the DXY is dropping, then UJ should also what? Drop. Okay, let's go to 8 o'clock on UJ. Boom. Okay. Go to the 1 hour. All right. Now, it may be tricky to look at. This may be a very, very tricky pair, right? UJ can be very tricky. And the way the price action looks, it does look like it may go up from here, right? It can easily hit a resistance level here. I'm going to delete kind of my other stuff here so don't confuse you guys. It does look like it can go up, right? For sure. Possible. But something that you guys have to understand, right, is when you take a trade, what do you need? What is the big C word that you need in order to take a trade? What do you need? Exactly. Well, if DXY was down, UJ should dropping as well, right? But for most people, they're looking at UJ and they're like, "Oh, it's a smaller support or resistance, Ryan. This should like go up from here, shouldn't it? Shouldn't it? Shouldn't it, Ryan? Ryan, Ryan? No, no, it's not. It's not. It's not. You need confluences. That's the C word. The C word I'm looking for is confluences. Okay? Because just because it's at this resistance, that's one confluence you have here. What else? So if you were to sell UJ to me, it's like, I need more than just that. I need more than just that. Right, guys? So you need more than that, young lady or young sir. Okay? Just because you see a zone does not mean price can't disrespect your zone. It doesn't give a crap about your zone. Okay? I need you to understand that. The market does not care about your little square that you put on your chart. Okay? It does not care. I know y'all feel that technical analysis and support resistance is the end all be all, okay? But it's not. You need more confluences than that. So this is an example where if you weren't really understanding the dynamics of the market and had other confluences and you were just basing off of one thing, you got washed. You got washed. Okay, because anyone buying it, this will happen. Boom. And you're like, oh no, what happened? Well, I just told you what happened. I just told you what happened. We looked at the dollar. What are you talking about? The dollar dropped. Easy. What are you talking about? So it doesn't care about the zone here. Okay. Right. And if you looked at the Japanese index, you would also see that it was very much bullish. Or bearish, I'm sorry. Okay. So it was also in line with it dropping. So honestly, guys, you shouldn't have got chopped up in UJ. For those of you got chopped up in it. If you had that understanding and really did your full analysis, and it's okay. It wasn't easy today, but I mean, I saw it clear as day. So I'm breaking down to you how you guys lost and what I saw. Okay? Because I saw the UJ drop, I saw the NAS buy, I saw the GU buy, but again, I was getting 830. You know, the market is now like reversing hard, but I'm already done. I'm out. There was also the gold buy. That wasn't bad. Again, that the gold buy was really predicated upon the dollar dropping really hard back to this resistance. So really, this is kind of how I had it around 830. I didn't really want to send that signal out because gold is funny sometimes, but I sent out the NAS for you guys. I'd slaughter NAS. I don't lose with NAS. You guys know this. I don't lose with NAS. There's some pairs I might take a loss here and there, but NAS, not really one of those pairs. AU, not really one of those pairs. So I'm just saying, gold definitely was for the buy. UJ was for the sell. NAS was for the buy. At least during the times that we trade, right? From 8 to 10, 8 to 11-ish, right? Kind of the bulk of New York session. Does that make sense, guys? So let me see. Did I see the GU buy? Yeah, I mean I bought it, yeah. But I was buying GU around early this morning, like 8 o'clock. Like if you go to around that time, this is when I was getting in it. Boom. Okay. And this this was like 8 o'clock. Boom. Hit my TP, done. That's it. Very simple, actually. 50 pips on GU. Y'all know I'm not sitting there for 100 pips, 200 pips. No. It was like a standard kind of 1-to-1. I rest like maybe 30, 40 pips to make 50. I kind of actually secured maybe like 45 of it, something like that. Done. So that was my move. I don't care about what happened the rest of the day. But that's what I did for GU, Jamal. Okay. So what I'm saying, guys, is like you have to. So today wasn't easy again because the Forex Factory News 8:30. It was a lot of news. So when you have a lot of news, you have a lot of wacky, erratic behavior. And if that's the case, you want to make sure that you're showing up early, okay, before the news, because sometimes you can get positions a lot of times 30 minutes or an hour before the news, right? Or if you don't get in, you have to wait till after the news subsides to get in. Okay, so you have to wait till maybe 8:35, 8:40. You want to let the news die down and then you get in, and that's perfectly fine too. That is perfectly fine as well. Okay, that is perfectly fine as well. That's just looking crazy good for this. Like, what? I wish I caught Nets for this. I caught it for the buy, but my buy was only maybe 80, 60 points, 60, 70. But it really started to reverse around 10:30. I'll say 10:30, 11. But usually around that time, I'm done. I'm not looking at charts anymore. So I'm on here with you guys, clearly. So, that sometimes that happens. The market just starts moving like crazy at 11, 12 o'clock. But that is not the norm. That is not the regular. So for everyone saying, hey, oh yeah, I'm still trading. Okay, all right. Keep trading at 11, 12 o'clock and see where it gets you, sir. Okay, I'm here to tell you. You trading at 11, 12 o'clock every day is not going to be so fun. It's not going to be fun for you. All right, you're going to get caught up in a lot of consolidation. There's going to be those odd days where you catch a really good move, right? There's going to be those odd days where there's a super late move in NY, but that's not where you're going to build your consistency from. That is not where you're going to make 6 figures a month from, 7 figures a month from, 8 figures a month from. No, you're not. No, you're not. Okay. And so I'm trying to instill into you guys the proper routines and disciplines, right? Yes, you could have sold it, been making money with it too, but you have to stick to your trade plan. You have to stick to whatever that is. For me, myself, I'm looking at charts from maybe 7:30 to like 11 o'clock. Okay. So you need to understand for yourself, okay, how much time can you allot to trade every morning? Whether it's in the early morning, maybe 6 to 8. Is it 9, 9 to 10, 9 to 11? What can you do? But whatever that is, you have to make it consistent. And I would not advocate you trying to trade 11, 12, 1 o'clock. I just would not. Okay. That's not how you're going to build your consistency. I promise you. All right. So, kind of just want to break down some things for you guys. Let me see if there's any questions on anything I'm saying. Okay. Okay, Jamal said that's my problem. I get too greedy instead of sticking to my compound plan and getting out. Okay, bro. Listen, honestly, everyone's has made that mistake or is making that mistake. Okay, everyone is making that mistake. So don't trip, man. Right? Like if you're in GU and you got it. So here's something about GBPs. If you want to trade GBPs, you have to understand and get very comfortable with taking partials. Okay, and even though GBP is overall bullish, you see how it made a huge like 50 pip, 60 pip correction. That's very natural for GU. That is a natural pullback. And so you have to understand that GBPs will do very large, hard pullbacks, sharp pullbacks. You have to understand that. So if you're going to trade a Great Britain pound pair, you have to like be in and out. Like you have to like 20 pip and dip, like 30, 40 pips, if that makes sense. Because sometimes GU can move 100, 200 pips like easy, like clockwork, right? So you have to be very methodical on when you're taking partials or when you're getting out. So for me personally, when I'm trading anything GBP related, GA, GU, GN, whatever it is, I'm always taking partials roughly between the 30 to 50 pip range. Always. Always, like you have to. It's like if you trade AU at 20 pips, you have to take partials. Okay, it's something you have to do because AU is not a pair that's going to move 50, 60, 70, 80 pips every day. It's not. So you have to study that pair, man, for all you guys. Whatever pair that you're trading or pairs, right? Whatever group of pairs you're trading, you have to make sure that you're studying it enough to know, okay, how many pips should I be going for roughly every single day? What can I squeeze out the market roughly every single day that's comfortable for me, and I'm also not overextending myself. Okay? I don't want you trying to catch NAS for 100 pips a day or GU for 100 pips a day. There's no need. That's not how you're going to build consistency. It's not going to work. Okay? You trying to catch like this NAS drop, even though it's dropping like crazy. You trying to catch this NAS drop every day. Oh, I got to get 100 pips. Hey, listen, sir. It ain't going to work. It's not going to work. All right? You trying to catch that big move every time, every day? No, sorry, Bob. Not going to work. Okay? It's not going to work. Not every day. Once in a blue moon, once in a while, you'll catch a really good move like that. But at the end of the day, markets dry up. Okay? They tend to dry up a lot. So you have to be conservative with yourself. That's why I don't go for 100 points on NAS every day. Now, does NAS move 100 points a day? For sure. But if I can catch my little 40 to 60 points, I'm happy. And I do that hand over fist every day. Every day. Every day. I don't lose on NAS. Every day, Monday through Friday, I'm grabbing 40, 50, 60 points on NAS every day. Now, some days I grab 100, some days I grab 120, but at least minimum, I'm always securing by default. Every day, like my name is Ryan, 40, 50 points on NAS every day. Okay. So for you, you have to figure out whatever pair you're trading, what that number is for you, because every pair is different. I can't tell you. I can tell you what I do, right? If you're trading like me, which is more of an intraday style, but every pair is different. And the only way you're going to understand that is by studying it and figuring out how many pips does it usually move a session, how many pips does it move before it's really pulling back a lot. So it just takes a little back testing, a little studying, just a little bit. If you don't automatically kind of know what pair that it is that you want to trade consistently and how to kind of navigate in that asset class, because everything is different. You can't treat gold the same way you can treat NAS. You can't treat NAS the same way you can treat GU. You can't treat GU the same as UJ. They're all different. They're all tradable. You can make money on all of them, but they have individual characteristics. So don't think you can just trade every pair under the sun the exact same way. That is the for sure bona fide way to blow your account. Okay? Especially if you're getting in 3, 4, 5 trades at a time. Have fun blowing your account. All right? So just wanted to drop that for you. Somebody needs to hear it. Somebody needs to hear it. I don't know who it was, but let me check the comments here. What's up, Kenny? Of course I am, Kenny. That's every day, bro. Every day is leg day, Kenny. Kenny said, am I hitting the gym today? Come on, bro. What do you mean? I'm hitting the gym today, and I'm hitting Muay Thai today, and I'm coming to Detroit. You know, I'm doing it all, bro. What do you mean? Let me see, Jamal. I've been okay with 3 pairs, not consistently, but I'm learning. UCAD gave me a problem today. UCAD, okay, let's look at UCAD, guys. Drop any questions you have in the chat. I'm going through all the questions right now to help you guys out. Okay. I'm answering all the questions today for you guys. Let's look at USD CAD. Because today was not an easy day. All right. But I mean, it was easy for me. I don't know. Okay, so we have USD CAD. And let's go to 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, USD CAD. So there's a couple things about USD CAD. Number one, I don't trade USD CAD. That's just me. I do not like CAD pairs. I do not like chef pairs. And that is because they act very funky. Like they are, if you trade them long enough, you'll realize that they're not as fun as you think. Me personally, I like very smooth pairs. I like pairs that are very textbook, that abide by price action. That's why I love AU. That's why I love NAS, um, AJ. If I had to pick my favorite pairs, it would be those three. GA is pretty good at times too. So I really like pairs that do what I want it to do. Okay. Now, CAD, again, it depends how you're trading. If you're a technical trader, fundamental trader, if you're using price action, candlesticks, Heikin-Ashi, there's so many different ways to trade. So whatever system you're trading, you have to trade the pair that's best suited for that. That's a whole nother story. But for me, CADs just don't really abide by how I like to trade. So for instance, we have that 8 o'clock, 9:30 area, 8:30 news, and even though the dollar drops, USD CAD goes up. And USD CAD is choppy. It's pretty choppy. Really, really choppy for oops, let me reverse. Let's try this again. Let me see here. It's really, really choppy. Let's go on the 15-minute chart. My bad. All right, this is like 7:30. Let's see here. It's like 8:30. So news is about to happen at this like resistance area here, right? And let's see what happens here. And it drops, pulls back, drops, pulls back, pulls back, choppy, pull back. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Look at this. Nasty, ill. Until 10 o'clock, like, okay, now I understand how you can get chopped up in USD CAD. What do you? What was the reason? What was the primary reason why USD CAD was so choppy, guys? Just tell me. You guys should know this. All my students, you should know this. You should know this before I even say it. You should know this. All my students in the chat right now, you should know why USD CAD got choppy. Even though the dollar dropped really nice, why didn't USD CAD drop really nice? Someone put it in the chat, please. Let's go. Someone make me a nice, happy man today. I want to be a happy, light-skinned man today. Okay? All right. So someone answer my question. Why was USD CAD choppy today? Come on. It's not that hard. It's not that hard of an answer. And if someone gets it wrong, you're getting booted. You're getting booted off my free YouTube live. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but you're going to get booted. First of all, D, that's not how you spell correlation, my dear. But, I'm just messing with you, but at least spell it right, girl. She said correlation. All right. Correlation. Okay, I'll give it to you though. I'll give it to you though. Marlene says same direction. Okay, all right. All right. Exactly. I mean, all of you guys got it right. D got it right. Marlene got it right. You scared to say, Chell? Oh, come on, Chell. Don't be scared. It's garbage. Okay. Don't get hit with the soundboard. All right. Don't get hit with it, because y'all don't irritate me today. All right. So check this out, guys. Right. Let's check this out. Look at the CAD index. You look at the CAD index. Let's see here. And what happened with the CAD index today? This is the 1 hour. Let's go to like the 15-minute. All right. Roughly around 8:30, I'm going to highlight for you guys, was like roughly around this time here. Look, this was like 8:30 on CAD. All right. Let's zoom out a little bit. But what happened? What is the overall direction for CADs? What is the overall direction for CADs, guys? What do you guys think? Put in the chat. Let's go to the 1 hour. What is the overall direction? Look at this. Let's extend the level out here. Boom. Okay. What is the overall direction? Oh, snaps, you can't see. My bad. Okay. I'm about to fix it. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bizzle. My bizzle. My bizzle. All right. Ryan messed up a little bit. All right. Let me get it together. Ricky, rewind. Ricky. Hold on. Hold on. All right. Here we go. I want the whole window, actually. Let's see here. Here we go. Oh, no. Okay. Can you guys see the screen now? All right. Let me see if you, once you guys can see the CAD index, let me know. You guys can't see it still? I'm waiting. You can't see the screen. Hold on. It should be loading. You see it? Okay, cool. Just making sure. Kenny, you see it? Okay, cool. Look. So, all right. You guys ready? All right, let's go. Let's rewind. Ricky, rewind. Okay. All right. So around this area here, where I have my circle. Okay. Right there. This is around like 8 o'clock. In between 8 to 8:30. Okay. That's on the 15-minute chart. I want you to look at the 1 hour. Right. Then I want you to look at the 2 hour. Right. And there's clearly there's a zone here. Right. Overall, what is CAD, guys? Look at the overall structure of CAD. What is it? If you had to say bearish or bullish, what would you say? Breaking a significant support level zone. At this point in time, we're down here, somewhere in the market over here. Would you say it's bearish or bullish? Right? Bearish, right? Everyone's saying bearish. Okay. Now, what was the overall dollar? Bearish or bullish? Okay. It was bearish. Okay. So now, when you have two pairs going in the same direction, what happens? I just taught this yesterday. Did I not teach this yesterday, guys, on the pending masterclass? Did I not just teach this? I'm pretty sure I did. I definitely sure. Didn't I just teach it, y'all? The correlation, right? In depth. Okay. So because of that, the USD CAD was very choppy. So all you had to do was analyze, okay, what's the dollar going to do? What's CAD going to do? Okay, I think they're both going to go down. So what does that mean? You sit on your hands and you don't trade that pair. You look for something else. You look for something else to correlate with. It's very simple. Very simple. Okay? And that is why you got chopped up in USD CAD today, sir. I don't know why you were trading that. There are much cleaner pairs to trade today. Much cleaner pairs. But hopefully I helped you kind of just dissect and analyze what you're doing wrong, so you can, it's like, okay, all right, and you know what to do for next time, so you can make a better educated decision. That's all. That's what I'm here for. All right, does that make sense, y'all? Right? CAD was going down. The dollar dropped really hard at 9:30. That's why. Exactly, Alicia. Right? So if you guys can see on the live, bears plus bears consolidation, bullish plus bullish consolidation. You want opposites. Yes, I do, Melissa. I look at the DXY for NAS. I called out the NAS buy for everyone in the signals chat if you guys see it. If you're going to trade New York session, you have to definitely look at the dollar because it is the main driver for the market every single day in the New York session. It is one of the main drivers, not, yeah, definitely the main driver for sure. Okay. Let me see. Let me see, man. All right. Any other pairs that you guys want me to like analyze today for you? Yeah, Kenny, that's how you do it, man. Keep one screen on DXY, another one, and another one on like all the pairs that you're looking at. That's how professionals do it, my brother. If you want to go to professional level, that's why they have multiple screens. That's the way to do it. So you can always understand where it is. Is there anything, any pair or anything you guys want me to go over really quick with you guys? I know today wasn't easy, but it was doable. I made money today. A lot of the people on my team made money today. So it wasn't an easy session today, but it was doable to make money. It wasn't super hard. I in my range of 1 to 10 to hardness, that doesn't sound right, but I know in a hard difficulty, if 10 was like the hardest level and 1 is easy, it was like a good 7 today. All right. It was like a good 7. I'm just saying. So, but as a trader, right, if you want to become consistent and you actually want to do this full time and actually make money every single week, guess what? You're going to have to be able to navigate through rough market conditions. The markets are not always going to be easy to navigate. You're going to have to understand how to trade in when it's a level 2, when it's very easy, and then you're going to have to learn how to trade when it's a level 8, a level 9, when it's extremely difficult to trade. Right? You're going to have to understand how to navigate through those different environments. And the only way you're going to do that is through experience and chart time and doing it consistently every single week. GNA said, is it worth investing in Facebook? I mean, you mean Meta? I mean, are we talking stocks? We talking stocks? I don't really know. I don't really do stocks like that. But if I looked at it, I mean, I'm sure I can tell you. A chart is a chart. You know what I'm saying? A chart is a chart is a chart. And it is hitting a really nice level right here, actually. So 133 actually seems to be a good level to possibly buy it. It could be if it holds this level. Y'all talking stocks to me today. But yeah, if it holds this level, then yes, you'd want it to break these highs and continue up. So you'd want it to break this zone and hold this zone here. So potentially yes, if this zone holds. If it doesn't, then I would actually look for sells. If it starts to break the zone, then start to sell. Let go of that stock, boy. That's what I would do. Anyway, that was a quick question that, that was on the fly, guys. We don't usually look at Facebook stock, but any other questions? Let me see. I'm going through the questions right now. Let me see. It's okay, Casson. It's all right. Make sure you sign up. TTA Elite. That's what I'm saying. We got a 6-month mentorship. You get live trades, live trading sessions, mentorship videos, my master classes every single week for 6 months. And this is my last mentorship for everyone here listening to my voice. This is my last mentorship. After these next couple months, don't ask me for nothing. I'm done. I'm going into a different space. I need you guys to understand that. I am not going to be teaching live trading. No. Ryan is going to be trading. That's it. Okay, that's it. There's time when a teacher can teach, and there's time when the teacher just got to trade, and that's it. I'm done. Your boy's just going to be trading. Okay, that's it. Moving on to bigger and better things. Yes, I do, Lynn Fashion. If you guys have any questions, you can email us at the Trade Authority at Gmail. Okay. You messaged me on Instagram. Okay, Michael. I'm gonna check you, bro. Yeah, technically, yeah. Don't ask me for nothing after these couple months, man. I'm serious. Okay. Steven said, "How about Chef JPY?" We can look at it, bro. We can look at it real quick. Let me see. Let me see what you're looking at. Chef JPY. I'm sure that it dropped. I'm sure that it probably dropped hard. Let me see. Chef. It's not one of my pairs I look at, but Chef JPY. Let's see. Yep, it dropped. I knew it dropped. All JPYs dropped really nice today. But ew, this was a yucky one. Let's see here. If you didn't catch it around 8 o'clock or 8:15, then you kind of just got chopped up here. But I'm overall bearish on it. I do think it's going to continue down to this level. Yep, definitely overall bearish on it. But it looks like it's just ranging. Okay, it's wedging right here. So it's going to continue down, but it's holding orders up. You should have been selling it up here though. 6, 7, 8 o'clock. Could have caught that move. Boom. All the JPYs went down. So if you really kind of understood the correlations, you shouldn't have had a problem with Chef JPY. You should have easily caught the sell today. Let me see. Sony said, "How can I be so cold?" I'm not cold, Sony. Sony T, like PlayStation, because I used to love my PlayStation. Sony, you got to understand. I've been doing live sessions, live trading, signals, and all that for like what, 2 years, 2.5 years now, maybe 3. I don't know, 2 to 3 years. And at this point in my career, I'm actually so good that when I live trade, it actually hinders me from making money. Okay. And that's real. That's If you really want to know why I have to stop live trading, y'all, it's because I can make way more money, way more money trading by myself than teaching and live trading. It's because I can't focus 100%. So it's actually messing up my gains. So for instance, if I trade with you guys today, let's, instead of me making, let's just say a couple thousand, maybe I would have made 1,000 or something. I still would have made money, but I could have like double, triple my profits because I'm actually focused and I'm managing with my manager. I'm doing all this different type of stuff, right? If I'm answering questions while I'm trading and drawing zones and helping you guys out, I'm doing too much, which means I can't focus on my own trading. And the way I trade is very methodical. So I actually don't gain a lot out of live trading. Like I actually, I'm losing actually. Not I don't lose my trades, but like I'm losing potential profits, if that makes sense. So I had to take a step back and realize like, hey, I'm actually a way better trader than teacher. I can teach and I teach really well, but I'm actually way better as a trader and I just need to trade. And when I can just sit there and focus and trade, I make so much more money. And that's just what I want to do for a while. Not it's not that I won't ever trade, teach ever again, but I don't know when I'm coming back to teach. So it might be 2-3 years. I don't know. It might be 8 months. I don't know. But listen, your boy gonna go ghost and just trade because that's what I want to do. I don't need to teach. I don't need to live trade. I don't need to do signals. Everyone knows that I'm stamped in the industry, that I do this for real. I've been trading 8 years. I don't have anything to prove. So at this point, I just want to trade, and inspire people. I want to show you guys what's possible. So you guys have to allow me to get to that next level. You need to release me from your clutches so that I may trade for a good couple months by myself in peace. But I'll still throw you guys signals. I throw you guys the NAS signal today. What do you mean? I throw you guys the NAS signal. Like, what do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want from me, y'all? I threw y'all the NAS signal. That thing hit easy. Boom. We could have been done. 50, 60, 80 points. No way. Easy. What do you mean? Been done for the day. 9:30, 10 o'clock. Boom, done. You don't have to worry about nothing. So I'm helping you guys in the process, but the live trading stuff, I'm kind of trying to step away from it. So Max and Mania are going to do it, but I will be doing it here and there with you guys though. If you guys really, really miss me that bad, I might do one session for y'all. Hopefully y'all understand. I love teaching and I love trading with you guys though. I do. I love you guys. I just hope y'all understand. Michael, that is the goal, bro. You see, like most of you guys haven't, like most of you, like I would say most people don't know what it's like to withdraw 7 figures. Like I want to, like I'm gonna show y'all what it's like to withdraw 7 figures. Okay, like multiple times. I'm gonna show y'all what trading can really do for you. But I can only do that if you guys give me time to do it. There's other live traders who are just as good. Maybe not as good because I'm just, my light skinness gives me the edge over everyone else. That's all it is. It's because I'm light skinned. I get the edge, so it's hard to beat that. But I'm just saying everyone else is pretty good, man. I know. So I'm gonna still help you guys out though. Next week I'll do one session with you guys. next week I'll do a live session with you guys. Max is in Jamaica right now, so she can't do any sessions with you guys this week. I can't do any sessions with you guys this week, so it's mainly gonna be Manny that just this week. But next week, Max will be doing the sessions. Manny will do a session, and I'll do a session. So you'll get like all of us next week, guys. Breezy, I'll bring it back. I'll bring out the soundboard, Breezy, just for y'all. I'll bring it back. I'll bring it back. I'm trying to motivate y'all. I'm trying to show y'all what's possible. You guys just got to give me like a couple months, man. so I can just focus and trade. Because I'm so used to doing live sessions. I've been doing live sessions with you guys for what, 2-3 years, and our live sessions are super accurate, guys. We really don't lose like that. I mean, of course, there's losing days or losing trades here and there, but overall, we don't really lose like that. And you know, it's great that I can do that for you guys, but that's not where my skill set is actually the best at. you know that, like, okay, if you were as good as me, would you really just be sitting teaching everyone all day, every day, trying to show them why you're trading? Or would you be trying to run up your own bag so crazy, and then come back? Maybe. Wouldn't that make more sense? Think about it. What makes more sense? What do you think generates more money? If you really know how to trade, is it you trading or you actually teaching and live trading with people? Think about it. What's going to generate more money when you really know how to trade? I really know how to trade. Run the bag. Exactly. I got to run the bag up. Okay. I'm over here trying to do too much. I'm like, yo, if I actually just trade every day, I'll kill it. All right. Me and my assistant trade every day and we don't lose. I'm telling you, y'all don't even realize, like, we really don't lose. Like, when you're really sitting by yourself and understand what you're doing, you really won't lose. But it takes all these small little can't even get the word out, intricacies, right? Of like your routine, of your trade plan, of your discipline, of the pairs that you're trading. What time are you trading? Are you accounting for news? Are you accounting for the correlations? Are you accounting for the different confluences? Like, all these micro things. And I know they seem like a lot, but if you kind of skip one step, it can mess you up. And trust me, trading is actually very, very easy. But what happens is when you make one or two mistakes, you lose. Right? That's how you lose. It's really not your analysis. It's when you make those one or two minor errors, minor mistakes, cut very deep in trading, minor mistakes. So in this realm, in this environment of trading, right, where minor mistakes can kill you, trust and believe, when you're trying to trade and actually teach at the same time and live trade for people, you are more susceptible to making minor mistakes, which I've seen and I've done multiple times. Like, for me personally, I'll trade live and then, like, I'll see, like, oh, I messed up. Oh, I could have did this, but oh, I'm on the live session, so I missed my entry, or I missed my TP, or I didn't manage it properly, and again, it's because I'm busy. I'm busy going through the chat, talking to you guys, laughing it up. We're making money. You guys are winning. Sometimes you guys will win and I miss my entry. Sometimes you guys will win the trade and I miss my entry. I'm like, oh my gosh. And then I get mad and then I don't get in the trade. That's happened to me so many times. So that's just what, the sacrifice that you take. And I don't mind taking that sacrifice for you guys because, you guys are all worth it. And I appreciate you guys rocking with me. All 70, 80 you guys rocking with me, all the time. You guys are worth it. So I take, the potential, not as much profit to teach you guys. But, at some point, you got to let your boy go. You got to release me. All right. So I can bring the bag back for y'all. All right. But yeah, that's why the mentorship is officially closing in the next couple months and why I'm retiring from teaching, at least at that level. But everyone who does join, I'm letting you guys know right now, everyone who joins, and if you have not joined, then you are doing yourself a disservice. What you need to do is go to thetradeauthority.com, right? You click here, you go to January promo, you scroll, and then you go to the 6-month package. You can subscribe for 6 months. Instead of paying $1,200, you're going to pay
$4.99. And this is only for January. You have 12 more days to get it. That is it. Don't talk to me about discounts. Don't talk to me about Ryan. Okay. If you don't have $4.99, guess what? We have a 9 month, or I said 9 month. We have a 90-day / 30 or 3 month package. I can't even get the words right. 90-day / 3 month package. And that is $249. Completely worth it. Completely worth it. Okay. I promise you. 3 months. If you rock with us with 3 months, you're definitely going to get your money back in value, profits, knowledge, time. You're like, that's what I need you to think about. Don't think about just the money that you're going to make. Think about the time that you're going to save knowing how to trade properly. Because I've been trading for 8 years. I'm telling you, I did not know how to trade properly for the majority of my career. It took me about 3 years, guys, until I made my first withdrawal. It took me 3 years. I'll repeat that. It took me 3 years until I made my first withdrawal. 3 years of blowing accounts, 3 years of going to mentor, 3 years of going from company to company, EA to EA, indicator to indicator, wasting thousands, not thousands, tens of thousands of dollars gone. Time gone. Time with my kids gone. Time with my girl at the time gone. Time with my family gone. I wasted a lot of time studying the wrong things from the wrong people. So trust and believe, if you really are serious about learning how to trade, the one thing you don't want to waste is your time. Screw the money. Everyone loses money here and there when they do different things. You don't want to lose years of learning the wrong thing. Okay? At least when you come here, you're going to learn the right thing, the right way to do things. And the money will come, I promise you. Even if you're messing up in the beginning, the money will come. But you have to learn how to start the right way. Okay? That is why I'm very passionate on teaching you guys the right way, because I did not learn the right way. And it took me years to figure out how to trade the correct way. I tried everything. I paid thousands of dollars for people, for mentors. They all sucked. Well, not all of them. Nah, I take it back. They all sucked. I'm sorry. They did. Okay? Because none of them can trade better than me now. So, I mean, but the point is like, even though I had bad mentors and bad mentorships, I don't even speak too badly on them, because it's like, at least I learned what not to do. Right? I learned what not to do. So they had certain things that, I maybe learned 1% of, but hey, it was worth it, because I got 1% of knowledge better. But if you come here, you're not going to get just 1%. You're going to get like 80, 90% of it. That's what I'm saying. Okay. I'm not saying TTA is the end all be all. You're never going to have another mentor, but I'm saying, like, you're going to get a good base that you can make money forever in trading here for sure. Because we're showing you how to trade legit. Okay, from the bare bones, how to trade. You just have to put in the work. Okay, and just commit to actually sticking around, showing up to class, studying, right? Commit to yourself for just a couple months. It's not hard. A couple months. And I promise you, your training's going to be completely different. Completely different. Okay? So don't get bummed out at a bad day here and there, or a bad trade here and there. That happens. Trust me. I had bad days too. Not as much anymore, because, your boy's really good. But trust me, back in the day, blowing accounts like crazy. All right? Losing trades like crazy. I wish I had a mentor. I wish I had a group. I wish I had the right knowledge. I would have paid 5 figures, because it would have saved me years and years and years of torment. All right? So I want you guys to understand, it's okay when you don't have a perfect day. It's a perfect trade. That is how you get better. All right? And I'm going to go through a lot of this on my masterclass on Monday. Okay? Monday, I'm going to do my masterclass. Monday night. We're going to call it Monday Night Masterclass with Ryan. Okay. You guys are gonna have me for like 2 to 3 hours. I would say 2 hours, but I always go overboard. So it's probably gonna be 2 to 3 hours. I'm gonna be going over scaling in. I'm gonna be going risk management. I went over the trade plan. I'm gonna how to structure your routine, everything. Personalize your trade plan, everything. We're gonna go over all of that on Monday. It's gonna take a little time. Okay, it's a little trial and error, but you give yourself a good couple weeks, month, 2, 3 months, you're going to see a big difference if you stick with it. All right. I just want to help you guys, inspire you guys to keep with it, because it's possible. Even though today wasn't even the best day to, easiest day to trade, I was profitable. It was easy for me. And I know if I can do it, you can do it. I know if I can do it every day, you can do it every day. There's no reason why, I'm no smarter than anyone here. I would actually argue that a lot of you are smarter than me. All right. I just work very hard. I put a lot of hours in trading, a lot of chart time, studied a lot of different things, and I studied a lot of the wrong things. So that's why I know what works, because I studied a lot of the wrong things. Okay. So with that being said, I love you guys. All right. I will catch y'all later. Hopefully you guys have a good, great rest of your day. All right. Tomorrow I will be up trading, so you guys will see my markups. Okay. You'll see my signals. I'm probably not going to be the live trader tomorrow. All right. But I will at least send out my signals and things that I'm looking at, so you guys can follow along. All right. I have I'm trying to get a lot of things done for you guys for next week. I don't want to speak on it, but a lot of you guys know what I have cooking up for you guys starting next week and the end of this week. So I'm trying to get everything done this week for you guys. All right. We have a whole bunch of months left in the year. Okay. February, March, April, those are going to be very hot months. Right. So this week I'm trying to just get everything out the way, so that next week I have some very special gifts for you guys next week. Just letting you know, some very special gifts that's going to help your trading take it to the next level. All right. So let me do what I got to do so I can get that for you guys. All right. So with that, I will say that I will holler at you guys later. Love you all. Sign up if you have not signed up for the Trade Authority, right? And if you have any questions, you can email us at thetradeauthority@gmail.com. Okay. Yes, Tamara, I will send my bias on the DXY. Tamika, yes, you will get access to the previous sessions. Everything's recorded, Tamika. Everything. So previous sessions, previous master classes, previous live trade sessions, everything. So you can always get access to everything, because the mentorship started January, and the 60% discount is for the whole entire month, right? After January, prices up. Prices are going to go back up. So if you want to pay 6 months for us, it's going to be $1,200 instead of $499. So all right. But yes, Tamir, I will be posting my biases and stuff like that, so you guys can follow along in the morning. All right. Take care, guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I'll be doing an overview tomorrow as well, too. All right. So tomorrow, 11 o'clock, see you. We'll go over charts and look at the session over together again. All right. See you guys.